Hi friends, I'm Rovina. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's special dish for you is a popular Manglorean breakfast, Kailoli, also known as Kappa Rotti or Vodu Dose. I will be sharing all the tips and tricks to make this traditional dish just perfect, so watch the video till the end. I've already soaked 2 cups of dosa rice for 2 hours. You can also use parboiled rice. Next, I have taken half cup cooked rice. Quarter cup poha or flattened rice soaked in water. I have taken 1 big coconut. Traditionally, a semi-mature coconut is used for this. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, some salt to taste, and wet cloth. I have soaked a muslin cloth in water to wipe the pan after frying each dosa. Now let's grind all the ingredients together except the oil to a smooth paste. You can use coconut water for grinding. Traditionally, a semi-mature coconut is used for preparing kailoli. It's called adsar in Konkani. Couldn't get one, so I have used normal coconut. Once the grinding is done, I will add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This will help to enhance the texture and taste of the dosa. The consistency of the batter is very important to achieve the right texture in this dosa. It should be slightly thinner than the dosa batter and thicker than the neer dosa batter. Now let's fry the kailoli. Remember, high flame is the key here, whether it is a traditional firewood stove or a modern gas burner. On a heated pan, pour in 2 ladles full of batter and slightly press it down with the back of the ladle. Watch closely as those beautiful pores start forming, giving our kailoli its unique texture. Once the pores have formed, cover the pan with the lid and let it cook until crispy around the edges. Remember, practice makes you perfect when it comes to mastering kailoli. Kailoli is a perfect balance of softness on the inside and crispiness on the outside, which makes it irresistible. Generally, it's difficult to take out the first dosa as it sticks to the pan. Remember to choose a flat bottom clay pan to fry this dosa. After frying each dosa, wipe the pan with a wet cloth so that if there are any particles that are left over from the previous dosa, doesn't stick to the next dosa. This is the perfect texture of the dosa, crispy and soft. Serve this with sweetened coconut milk. If you do not have a sweet tooth, you can serve this with any kind of veg or non-vegetarian curries. It tastes simply awesome. Kailoli reminds me of a good old saying of Kannada, Ellara Mane Dose Toota, meaning every home dosas has pores. Just like these pores add character and charm to our beloved kailoli, so as imperfections in life add depth, richness, making each experience unique and memorable. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Share your views in the comment section. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.